Have you been looking for ways to create football highlight videos like these? 60 seconds football highlight video clips are now trending on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, as well as on TikTok and Instagram Reel. And the good news is the videos can be created all for free and within a short time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and upload 60 seconds football highlight video clips without any copyright using just your smartphones. But first, if you're interested in editing YouTube football highlight videos for your YouTube channel, then you should check out these video tutorials. Here, I'm going to show you how to download full matches to use for your editing, how to cut or split the highlight videos from the full matches you downloaded, how to edit the videos if you want to create a longer video. I'm also going to be showing you how to monetize the videos, how to generate more views to the videos, and much more. You'll find the link to all these in the description box below this video. Now, for a while now, I've been thinking of starting a YouTube Shorts channel on football highlight videos, but I haven't had the time to learn how to edit football highlight videos with a mobile device. Recently, I came across a video tutorial on that, and the creator even invited everyone who is watching the video into an editing challenge. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I edited my own video for the challenge. And for that, we are going to be using CapCut as a mobile video editor. So if you don't have the app yet installed on your phone and you want to do this, then make sure to download it from Google Play Store. Then you want to open it and click on the plus button to create a new project. Next is importing the match video clips you want to use for your editing. You can get the video clips you want to use for your editing by just making a search on YouTube and then go to Creative Commons and download any of the videos with high video quality. If on the other hand you want to download the full match video clip, then again you might want to check out the first link below this video. Now, after downloading and importing the footage you want to use into CapCut, next is deciding on the actions within the match that you want to show your viewers. Do you want to highlight just the goals, the corner kicks, the dribbles, and so on? So after deciding on the action that you want to show your viewers, next is splitting up those portions that you'll be working with and then deleting the rest that you don't need. You have to keep in mind here that the average length of this type of videos is just 60 seconds. So most often you have to delete a lot of footage. Now by default on CapCut, the screen dimension is set to 1020 by 750, which is the normal YouTube screen dimension. But since we are working with YouTube Shorts, TikTok types of videos, you want to change the dimension to 9 by 16. To do that, you want to first unselect the imported media, and that will bring up this menu bar. Select the format option. You will now see a good number of screen formats. You want to select the 9 by 16 template here. Now, as you can see, the video you uploaded is still horizontal. You can hardly see what's being shown in the videos. Now, to fix that, you want to use your fingers to zoom into the footage by pinching on the screen and expanding it until all the black space here above, below, and on the side is completely out of the picture. After doing that, you will immediately notice a problem if you play the footage. You will easily notice that in some cases the ball goes out of the screen frame, and that means a good chunk of the video is missing out of the picture. To solve that, we'll be using keyframing. Now, keyframes are used when you want to move, rotate, or transform a video clip at different moments. And that's what I'm going to do in this case, so that viewers will be able to see the ball at all times. So to add a frame, you want to first position the ball where it was first seen. When you do that, you see this diamond icon here at the top. Tap on it and that will mark the first keyframe in the video clip. Then you want to play the clip again and stop where the ball goes out of the screen. Next is adjusting your screen with your finger until you see the ball again. Now by just adjusting the screen, CapCut will automatically add the next keyframe. You want to keep doing these until you have the complete video clip keyframe. Now you might come across certain difficulties when doing this your first time, but with consistent practice you will see that it's really easy and quicker to add keyframes. Let's just now replay the video clip and see how the keyframes are working. As you can see, you can now easily follow the ball everywhere it goes on this small screen. Now the next editing we're going to be doing is adding audio, and this is important too if you want to avoid copyright claims. So if the video clip you uploaded still has an audio, now is the time to remove it because that can easily lead to a copyright problem for your video. To remove the audio of your imported clip, tap on the extract audio here below and the audio will be extracted and displayed below the footage. All you have to do next after the audio has been extracted is to tap on the audio here and hit delete. Of course, after deleting the original audio, you need to add another audio. Otherwise, your video will not be that engaging to your viewers. So to add an audio, you want to tap on the audio icon here below and then on extract if you have a specific audio you want to use. Now it's important to take note here that CapCut doesn't import MP3 audio files, which means we need to extract the audio from an MP4 file, which is basically a video file. So, well, you can just use the audio together with an image to create a video file that you can extract using the feature on CapCut. I'll also recommend here that you use a copyright-free music if you want to avoid any copyright claim completely. You can also use the sounds on the YouTube audio library. They are also free of any copyright claims. In this case though, I'm going to be using one of the sounds that comes with CapCut. To do that, tap on the sound option here and make a search for upbeat sounds, since that's the best types of sounds to match with your football highlight video. Then you want to go through the sounds and select the one you think sounds best and tap on the plus blue button here to add it on the timeline. Now let's just watch the video clip again and see how the sound and the footage work together. Now when it comes to highlighting portions of the match that you're working on, you might want to add some effects and sound drops. To do that, you want to first add a white background. So just go to Google and search for a white background and download it. Then you want to go back to CapCut and import the white background by adding an overlay. To do that, you want to again select the video footage and below the editing menu here, you want to tap on the overlay option. Now you can just add the white background you just downloaded from Google. Now you want to drag it wherever you want to make your highlight effect, probably in areas of the sound where there is a drop beat. Then you want to cover the whole screen with the white overlay, and then on the editing bar here below you want to tap on splice. That will now bring up these other options. You want to look for the overlay option and tap on it. Next is saving your settings and then selecting the animation option that appears, and finally on the first option here that says fade out. Now check this out. This is the effect most creators use together with sound drop beats to give a dramatic view and sound, which will help keep your viewers engaged. You can also decide to add in some animation to further make your video engaging. To do that, simply tap and select the video clip that you want to add the animation on. Position your player wherever you want the animation to happen. Next is tapping on animation from the options here below, and you have the option to select whether you want the animation to appear in, out, or a combination of both. In this case though, I'll just go with in, and now you can select any of the available animation you see fit for your video. But since I don't want it too dramatic, I'll go with any of the first three options here. To round everything up and make it more engaging, you might want to add some transitions. To do that, go to each and every of the white spots that divides each video clip and tap on it. This will bring up the transition option below. Select any you would like to use and save the settings. All you have to do next is export your video file, download the video and upload it on your preferred social site. And again, if you are interested in editing YouTube football highlight videos for your YouTube channel, then you should check out this video tutorial by tapping on the first link below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another update on this topic.